Greetings from Ajmal Law College Hojai. Ajmal Law College Hojai is going to organize the first Ajmal National Level Moot Court Competition at Ajmal Law College. I must appreciate the initiative of Moot Court Society of Ajmal Law College for organizing this event, and I request all the universities, law colleges and the Center of Legal Education to send their teams to participate in this Moot Court competition, and we are looking forward to welcome you at Ajmal Law College in this prestigious Moot Court competition.
Hello everyone, I am Targil Chaudhary, Assistant Professor Ajmal Law College and convener of first Ajmal Moot Court competition. This year we are organizing the first Ajmal National Moot Court competition right here in Hojai itself. This competition is famous for two things. First one is the reward, that is prize money. We are providing around 4 lakh rupees of prize money, and if we bifurcate this prize money into two parts, then we are providing more than 2.5 lakh rupees cash rewards. The winning team will be getting 1 lakh rupees of cash prize. The runner-up team will be getting 75,000 rupees of cash prize. The best memorial will be awarded 20,000 rupees, and the best researcher will be taking 20,000 rupees. Apart from that, the best mooter will be taking 30,000 rupees. We are also providing additional academic benefits to all the registered participants. It's our pleasure to announce Law Octopus as our media partner, Law Octopus Law School as the knowledge partner. Being knowledge partner, they are providing 10% scholarship to all the registered participants. We are also privileged to announce Manupatra as our legal tech partner. As a legal tech partner, they will be awarding 100% scholarship to the winning team. In addition to that, the Indian Legal Wing is the academic partners and ILW Journal of Law and Research publication partner. As academic partners, they will be providing 100% scholarship in their blog publication to all the registered participants. They are also going to provide the free publication to all the member of winning team.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabreen Sheikh. I'm an assistant professor of Ajmal Law College and co-convener of first Ajmal Moot Court competition at national level. It is our immense pleasure to announce our first Ajmal Moot Court competition at national level, bringing all the talented students across the country. Our organizing committee is working tirelessly to ensure an inaugural edition of this competition to provide a professional, transparent and enriching experience for all the participants. We'll look forward to hosting you in Assam and create memories that will be with you forever.
Dear all, very shortly we are going to organize our first Ajmal National Moot Court competition in the month of August 2026. Ajmal Law College Moot Court Society also plays an active role in organizing intra-college and national level moot court competitions for the students. It helps the students build their advocacy skills, legal research, memorial drafting, analytical reasoning and also courtroom etiquettes.
Hi, my name is Rakibul Islam Laskar, Assistant Professor of Ajmal Law College Hojai and Faculty Coordinator of first Ajmal Moot Court Competition 2026. I welcome you all to these auspicious events. This competition reflects our institutional vision of fostering legal scholarship, ethical advocacy and constitutional values. Participants will have the opportunity to engage with complex legal questions, defend their arguments before distinguished judges and experience the intensity of real courtroom proceedings. We encourage every participant to approach this competition not merely competition but as a learning experience that will shape their professional journey.
Hello everyone, my name is Pari Saikia, Assistant Professor of Ajmal Law College Hojai and also the Faculty Coordinator of first Ajmal Moot Court Competition 2026. At Ajmal Law College, we believe advocacy is not merely about speaking in courtroom. It's about critical thinking, persuasive reasoning and the pursuit of justice. So see you at Ajmal Law College on 29th and 30th August 2026.
So the courtroom is waiting, the bench is listening and the stage is yours. Do register yourself as soon as possible and see you there.